Alright, this is my full-on voice. I don't usually talk this loud, cause, I don't usually, disturb my mom or dad. So, yeah, this is my full-on voice. I'm gonna be, recording stuff this time. I might be able to go parasailing, or whatever it's called. I'm gonna be going back to the lake. And tomorrow I'm gonna leave, at night or something like that. Well, this was a fun trip. I haven't had a family trip like this in, like, forever. It's been a few years. Whew. This is really fun. So I'm gonna start doing gameplay again once I get back home, starting Monday. But I'm not gonna have much time because my friend is usually coming over, and I'm gonna be swimming a lot. And alright, well anyways, I'm gonna be at the beach by now, so bye! The bear claws I was talking about. Let me smash. Becky, do you want the blue? No. Okay, bye. Alright, I wasn't able to go parasailing, but me and my dad were able to go on a jet ski. That was really fun. Here's my reaction. Weapons free. That's how my dad does it. And that was one of the most fun hours I've ever had in my life so far. If you're wondering why you hear background music, don't worry about that. That's the neighbors. Sounds like you, never mind, I'm not gonna mention it. This was a fun trip, so I'm not gonna record as much as I did when I did come here. I'm sorry about that. It's not gonna be like 25 minutes, it's gonna be like 10, I think, that's all. I am speechless. So I will be doing gameplay when I do come back. But like I mentioned before, I'm gonna be with my friend a lot and doing some activities. But if I do know how to record, Xbox gameplay eventually, me and my friend would probably be able to do that. And that would be fun. I'm a noob, okay? I'm an average, actually. I'm gonna miss California again. I'm used to a place that I live at. I got another spinner coming in the mail. And that's the last one I'm ever gonna get. Maybe. I'm kidding. This was really fun. I'll do the face reveal eventually. I'm gonna start live streaming soon. With the What Was Then Live app. It was so fun. If you guys experienced it, you guys probably have before. It'll be really fun. If you guys didn't hear that, that was a happy birthday song. I don't know whose birthday it is because I don't know any of them. Ooh, yeah, it was a heck of a trip. I have no idea what to say. If you guys like, no. I think, okay, I'll just make a bunch of noises now. This is for you, Wolfie Rena. I'm kidding. You're welcome.